Hey guys, this is Jennifer with TheWookie Natural, and in this video, I will be reviewing the restaurant in Decatur, Georgia called Milk and Honey, so stay tuned. So, I have gone to this restaurant called Milk and Honey. A friend, a coworker at work recommended this particular restaurant. Shout out to Miss Hunt, wherever you are, Miss Hunt. So she recommended a couple of restaurants, and I said, well, I would love to try them. So I decided one day after we went, after we were out and about, me and my husband and my daughter went to try the Milk and Honey restaurant. And actually, we've been there a couple of times since then. I brought one of my girlfriends there to let her know about it, and me and my husband have eaten there a couple of times. So these I have definitely sampled. Now, have I sampled everything off the menu? No. I actually liked what I show in the video, which is the Mr. Benny, which is a crab cake with a sauce and poached eggs on a muffin. Oh, to die for. I love it. So I have not ordered anything else. I did order the French toast, and I love the French toast. We ordered the peach French toast, and then the peach French toast. So I thought that was really good. So all in all, my thoughts are the restaurant is on trend. So be prepared to wait in line for about 30 to 45 minutes at its peak time. So it's a restaurant that serves like a brunch type of atmosphere. So certain items will have eggs or bacon, or it might be grits along with dinner food, salmon, shrimp, different things of that nature. I thought the menu is clever. I like the preparation and presentation of the food. I like the fact that we got good portions. I like the fact that the wait staff was very helpful and attentive. This particular restaurant is really good for customer service. And I like the vibe that it gives in there. It gives like an old school soul food, but modern type vibe. So when you go in, you will see a mixture of people. You will see a lot of young people, and you will see some older people like my age in there, as well as people of all colors and races have gone in there. So I give it my thumbs up, okay? I enjoy it. I don't have a complaint about any of the service or anything like that. It just tends to be a little crowded, and that's it. So I really enjoyed the restaurant, and I'm going to recommend all my friends to go there when they get a chance. Oh, it is a little pricey, so I will say it's a little pricey, but it's well worth it, and it's a great place to go up in the day, a brunch spot. It's a great place to go. So I think I've said enough, and I will show the videos, and until next time, show my footage of us going to the restaurant. So until next time, stay wookie.